Hi guys, Bobby D here from BobbyDOnlineMarketing.com. Now, one of the biggest questions I'm always getting asked is how do you make money with Warrior Plus? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I'm going to show you inside my Warrior Plus account. I'm going to show you exactly what offers to be looking for and the pitfalls, the ones to avoid. Before I do all that, please guys, hit the subscribe button, links down there, and there's a link in the description. I really want you to be part of my group to keep up to date with my tips and tricks and for you guys to start making some money. So please subscribe, please hit the bell. So let's get on with it. So as you can see, this is my Warrior Plus account. This is me, Bobby D Online Marketing. Now what I'm going to show you, I'm not showing you because I'm boasting or showing off. I'm showing you what is possible. For those of you that know who I am, if you go to BobbyDOnlineMarketing.com, look at my website under my story. There is my little story in how I got into affiliate marketing. I've been at affiliate marketing for 12 months this month. 12 months, that's all I'm doing. And I'm doing okay. So let's have a look at my affiliate account first. So if we go into stats, let's just do the last 30 days. So these are the products that I've affiliated in the last 30 days. And remember that I do this part-time. So Stealth by Brendan and Jono, $766. 1 Minute Traffic Machine by the Rhodes Brothers, $477. Thumbnail Blaster, $80. Hook'em, $27. And it goes on. So I made, well, already I've made $1,391. And that is all from Warrior Plus. And I get that money via YouTube review videos, my website, BobbyDOnlineMarketing.com, and I obviously have a list. If you go into my vendor account, let's have a look here in my dashboard. I'm open and transparent here, guys. I'll show you everything. You can see this week, nothing today because the day's just started. 90 yesterday, 279, 185, 67. And if we go into more, let's do the last 30 days. See how we're doing. Local video jackpot, $6,000. Five-alicious, $2,000. 20-minute tactics, $20. Some coaching we done. Some good money there. In fact, it's $9,000 in 30 days. So this works, guys. Affiliate marketing works. It is hard work, and this is all from YouTube. We can see there 8,000 visitors. Sorry, all from Warrior Plus, 8,000 visitors. So let's go to offers. So this is what you're looking for. If you're new to Warrior Plus, sign up for an account. It's free. Just sign up. It costs you nothing, and then you can start buying and selling from it. So when I'm looking to affiliate a product, what you're looking for is sales. You're looking at the conversion rate, and you're looking at the visitor value. Okay. As a rule of thumb, I will only affiliate products that have 1,000 sales plus, a conversion rate of 10% plus, and a visitor value of at least $1. So write those things down. 1,000 sales, 10% conversion, visitor value $1 or more. That basically means it converts. Now these are obviously new products that are out, so everything's quite high. But if we grab something that's been around for a while, so let's have a look. 16th of January, so I didn't affiliate any of that. What did I affiliate? So this I did. So Octane, which is the software that Jono and Brendan brought out, 5,000 copies. So that's way over the 1,000, all right? That sells. Visitor value is 11%. It's over the 10%. And the visitor value is, as long as it's over $1, it sells. It's $4. So that would be a good one to affiliate. Now the key to this is you can do stuff that's old. All right, you can do stuff that's old. Let's try and find something. Let's keep going on a bit. Let me find something that's from the beginning of the year. I was wondering if there's a quick way of doing it. There's not. Let me just find something from the beginning of the year that I've sold, and then we'll have a look at the stats, and see if it's worth doing. There are programs out there that are 2 or 3 years old that are still worth selling. So this example of one I wouldn't do. El Bandito by Brendan, sold at the time 2,000 copies, but now it's only on 6%. So although it's 2,000 copies, that's great. Conversion rate 6%. So I wouldn't do that now. Although it sold really well at the time, now I wouldn't do it. So the Big Five, Mark Gray. This is a great product, guys. Really, really great. So this is a great product. So this is released in December last year. So it's now, what, 5 months old. Sold 1,000. It's still converting at 12%. And it's over the dollar, $2.64. So, well, you can see I've done 29 sales of that. I would still, advertise this. And a little trick, guys, is if you're new to affiliate marketing and you're trying to make sales, look at the older stuff. Because if you try and compete, so that is still worth selling. And I would, so I lost my track there a bit. Sorry, one of my kids came in. So for you guys, it's worth advertising older stuff. The reason being, you're never going to compete. When a new launch comes out, you're never, ever going to compete with the big affiliates. They've cleaned the market up. But if you do older stuff, at the moment, I can pretty much tell you now, nobody's promoting the Big Five actively. No one. So look at the older stuff and start promoting that, because that is what's going to sell. That is what's going to make you money. And that is a little trick that I do. Quite often I will advertise an older product and I'll make 10, 15 sales because there is no competition. No one else is doing it. So that is my top tricks for Warrior Plus. It works. It's the best platform out there. It's actually the only one I launch on. I only launch on Warrior Plus. I don't use JVZoo or anything else. This is the best one. Just so you can see it works for me. This is me. I'm a top 10% vendor, top 25% affiliate. Deal of the day. I've sold 3,726 sales. This is my account. Have a look at it, guys. It works. It is simple. So get onto Warrior Plus. Look at my stats, look at the stats I've told you about, get advertising, get selling, make some review videos, make a simple WordPress post. There's loads of ways of doing it. If you get stuck, hit me up. I'll help you out. All right, I'm here to help you guys out. So do me a favor, guys, subscribe, help me out. I'm Bobby D from Bobby D Online Marketing. Many thanks for listening to this, and I'll catch you all soon.